Hello, welcome back to the math class. I know yesterday you guys did something about refresher course for what are the rules at Rudder. Hopefully you enjoyed the Kahoot game. Not sure why there was a limit, but hopefully everybody got a chance to do it. So what we're going to do, we're going to continue what we were doing before you guys left for winter break. I hope everybody had a good winter break. So what I have here is still verbal descriptions, and we're transforming it into a table, and then filling in the table, and then going and putting in an equation for this, and then figuring out if it's an additive or multiplicative. Now, I already showed you which one was the dependent variable and which one was the independent variable. And in this case, it depends on how many cookies Diana eats in order to determine how many, I mean, not cookies, how many sweet tarts Diana eats in order to determine how many sweet tarts Joe will eat. So we're going to go ahead and start with a different number. I'm not going to start with 0, 1, 2, 3 like I've done in the past before. I'm going to start with 5. So I'm going to go ahead and put 5, 6, 7, and 8. And just with that, that's going to help me out. Now, since Diana, it determines how many Joe will eat, then that means Diana is independent. So we're going to go ahead and put Diana as X, and Joe is going to be Y. And that's what we did on the table. Now, because it says 3 less, that means we're subtracting. So I'm going to subtract 3. So that means if Diana eats 5, if I subtract 3, then Joe's going to eat 2 sweet tarts. If Diana eats 6 sweet tarts, then Joe's going to eat 3 sweet tarts. If Diana eats 7 sweet tarts, then you subtract 3 and Joe's going to eat 4 sweet tarts. If Diana eats 8 sweet tarts minus 3, then Joe's going to eat 5 sweet tarts. So in order for us to do this, if you notice it's subtracting because it's 3 less, then it's going to be an additive rule. And remember the additive rules, the way we write it as y equals, so x will be Diana's amount of sweet tarts minus 3. So that would be your equation. So remember, this is based on the process. So in this case, we know we were subtracting. So I know it's going to be x minus 3 in this case. And that's going to equals to y. So make sure that you understand how to do this, and because the next one, it's going to be on your own. So good luck with that.